Hello everyone, this is my first Unreal Engine 5 tutorial video. Unreal Engine 5 is one of the most valuable game engine on the market because of it's a lot of features, even for built-in features, even for VR and network system, and also the great invention of Blueprint. I will show the basics of the Unreal Engine 5 editor in this video, and let's start to see how we launch the engine and open the game. Okay, to create the game, we have to go to the games part and we can choose what type of game that we are trying to develop. We will go blank this time, and we can't go with the default section as if we want to blueprint or if we want to add C++. If you choose the C++, you can still add blueprint, but we will go with the blueprint and will not touch the other parts. And you can change the project name here and click to create. After that, the game will create the editor and open the editor. I already opened my new editor, and I'm gonna show you how the features of the Unreal is affecting. This is the basic main scene and basic map of the Unreal Engine 5 start content. You can see it from the maps folder in the content drawer. Content drawer is basically everything of our games, every files from blueprints, audio, particles, materials, and of course maps. The minimal default that I'm using, that you can go to it with the double click, and after the map opened, you can see that there's a little parts, little elements on the game that called game actors or game objects. Okay, we can see these game objects from the screen, from the map, and also here the outliner section. It's for organizing everything in the map. For example, there's a gameplay actors and player start. This is the position of our player will be when the game starts. Let's see. As you see, my player just started with here, and I can use WASD buttons to see how is my game. With play button, we can see how our game is playing, and with escape, we can stop it. After that, I can choose other objects, and also I can add new objects. For that, I can use the quick add button and go to the categories and choose cube, or I can use from the window, I can open the place actor window and choose again the shapes and bring out the cube to the world. After I bring the cube, I can manipulate it with transition for about the location, or rotation, or scale. And with Ctrl Z button, I can undo whatever I did. These parts allow me to choose what kind of manipulation I want on the object. Also, I can use W, E, and R button to shortcut them. In details section, you can see that there is information about our object. One of them is the location of object. When I try to manipulate it, you can see the changes on the X. Respectively, red, green, and blue arrows are X, Y, and Z. And also it is same for rotation and scale. After that, we can also add some additional features. For example, right now the cube doesn't have any physics feature. So when I start the game, you can see that it's just standing still where I put it. Pressing escape, and then go to the physics part of the details and click on the simulate physics. As you can see, it is added now into the physics of the game engine. This is the end of the first Unreal Engine tutorial video. Tune in for the other parts. Bye.